I'm pretty sure I traumatized a home invader. I want to start by saying this must have happened in 3 minutes or less. When I was in high school, I was often home alone and unattended. Relatively good neighborhood, nothing to genuinely fear. So I would spend from around 4:30 to 9 o'clock completely alone in a decent-sized house. It wasn't necessarily scary, but it was a bit eerie to me. One night, though, there was a break-in. It wasn't anything really terrifying because I was down in the basement and just heard the guy break in through the screen door and start rummaging through the kitchen. Now, at the time, I myself did not have a personal phone, and the landline is in said kitchen. Due to me being in the basement, I did have my dad's axe to my immediate disposal, but I was not some sick 4 inches man giant. I was a 5'8" inches dude who barely even did PE. So what did I do? I decided to fucking throw it at him. I carried the weighty thing up the stairs as quietly as I could and managed to get the door open enough to slip out with it. I sort of scoot walked into angle, screamed at the top of my lungs, and just fucking hurled it at the guy. I missed, but I genuinely think the poor dude pissed himself before he made a beeline for the screen door he'd shattered. The blade didn't hit anything but dented the wall pretty bad. I eventually called the cops, then my parents. If you robbed a house in Alabama and had an axe nearly embedded in your head, I sincerely do apologize. Hope you did reconsider some decisions though.